Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we are covering the main attractions of southern Iceland. ICELAND Must waterfall is one of Iceland's most famous waterfalls, known for the unique feature of being able to walk behind it. Skogafoss waterfall is a massive waterfall with a 60-meter drop. It often creates rainbow on sunny days. The area surrounding Skogafoss is rich in waterfalls, especially if you follow the Fimmvörðuhól's hiking trail. You can see several waterfalls. Vík í Mýrdal is a small village located near Reynisfjara beach. This village is the southernmost village in Iceland, known for sea stacks, black sand beaches, waterfall. Vík has many legends surrounding the hidden people or elves. Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon is a breathtaking glacier lagoon where you can witness large icebergs floating in the water. Diamond Beach is located next to Jökulsárlón Glacier Lagoon. Diamond Beach is where chunks of icebergs from the lagoon wash ashore and sparkle like diamonds on the black sand. Laki craters are volcanic craters, a dramatic row of volcanic craters formed by a massive eruption in 1783. Vatnajökull National Park is one of the largest national parks in Europe, encompassing nearly 14% of Iceland. Hvalnadal Snow Push is the highest peak in Iceland. It's a challenging climb with guided tours. Elgjaw Canyon is the largest volcanic canyon in the world, located within the park's boundary. Elgjaw Rift is formed by volcanic activity. Thorsmörk is a stunning mountain valley surrounded by glaciers, volcanoes, and rivers, making it a popular hiking destination. Siglufjordur, also known as the Valley of Tears, is one of the most picturesque canyons in Iceland and has gained recognition for its stunning beauty with multiple waterfalls cascading over rocky cliffs into a lush, moss-covered valley. Westman Islands is the southern coast of Iceland, offers a mix of stunning natural beauty. Heimaklatur is a great hiking spot. It offers panoramic views of the island and the surrounding ocean. Elephant Rock is a rock formation on Heimaey that resembles the head of an elephant with its trunk dipping into the sea. Älvfell volcano is the site of the famous 1973 volcanic eruption that nearly destroyed Heimaey. Stórhöfði is known for its stunning coastal views, and it is one of the best places to see puffins during the summer months. Sólaheimasandar plane wreck. It is remains of a US aircraft which crash landed on the black sand beach of Sólaheimasandar in 1973. Bakil is a hidden gem in the south of Iceland, known for its stunning natural beauty, isolation, and serene atmosphere. Landmannalaugar is a treasure for nature lovers, and it is one of the most stunning natural areas in the country, known for its unique geological features, colorful rhyolite mountains, hot springs, and vast lava fields. Stand out due to its vivid colors, red from iron, greens from moss, and yellow from sulfur deposits, making it one of the most photogenic spots in the region. Liotli Potler Crater Lake is a stunning volcanic crater lake. Stutur crater is a small volcanic crater with a unique green covered rim. Frostastaða is a beautiful lake. Fjallrakur Canyon is a steep cliff with lush greenery combined with flowing river at its base. Create a spectacular landscape. Eldron is a moss-covered lava field. Haugefoss waterfall is one of the tallest and the most impressive waterfalls in Iceland. Kjavin is a hidden gem in southern Iceland. Maelefell volcano is renowned for its distinctive conical shape and vibrant green color. Nauðhúsagil is a hidden gem. Hekla volcano is one of Iceland's most active and well-known volcanoes. Katla volcano is one of the country's most active volcanoes and closely monitored for signs of unrest. Currently, the volcano shows heightened seismic activity. Skíðará Sandur is a large black sand plain in southeastern Iceland, formed by glacier and river sediments from Skíðará River. Langisjó is a remote glacial lake in Iceland's highlands, surrounded by the Fografjöll Mountains, known for its strikingly clear turquoise waters and serene beauty. That's a wrap for today. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one. Peace.